Did you know AI can revolutionize dropshipping and change e-commerce forever, like actually change the game? Yeah, we're talking about taking all the tedious, repetitive tasks and handing them over to, well, robots. Okay, not literal robots, but AI tools that are about to become your new business partners. We're diving deep into the world of AI-powered dropshipping. Everything from finding the perfect product to getting it shipped out without lifting a finger. It's about working smarter, not harder, and let's be real, who doesn't want that? So, if you're ready to level up your e-commerce game, buckle in because things are about to get seriously automated. For real though, AI is kind of blowing up everywhere right now, and the dropshipping world is no exception. It's revolutionizing how we approach online retail. We're talking next-level automation here. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are handled seamlessly by machines. Think about it, finding winning products, that's always a hustle, right? It takes hours of research and a bit of luck. AI tools can analyze trends, search patterns, you name it, to help you pinpoint products that are actually going to sell. They can predict market demands with incredible accuracy. And then there's marketing. AI can help you target the right customers with laser focus. It's like having a sniper's precision in your marketing campaigns. It's like having a personal marketing assistant working 24/7. Imagine the time and effort saved. And let's not forget about order fulfillment. Nobody wants to be stuck packaging boxes all day. It's tedious and time-consuming. AI can automate that entire process from order processing to shipping so you can focus on, actually growing your business. It's like having a super efficient logistics team. Bottom line, AI is like having an army of virtual assistants working around the clock to boost your dropshipping game. It's a game changer, making your business more efficient and profitable. Okay, let's talk tools. In today's fast-paced digital world, having the right tools can make or break your business. Because if you're going to automate your dropshipping business, you need to be equipped with the best technology available. You're going to need the right tech in your corner to stay ahead of the competition and streamline your operations. First up, we've got AutoDS. This platform is a game changer for anyone serious about dropshipping. This platform is a beast when it comes to automating product finding, listing, and even price optimization. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. It integrates with all the major platforms and can save you a ton of time. Then there's Ecomhunt, another essential tool. This tool is all about finding winning products. It's like having a crystal ball for e-commerce trends. It uses AI to analyze trends and give you the inside scoop on what's actually selling right now. Imagine knowing what your customers want before they do. And of course, we can't forget about Shopify AI. This is a must-have if you're on the Shopify platform. If you're using Shopify, and let's be real, a lot of you are, their built-in AI tools can help you personalize the customer experience, automate marketing, and even prevent fraud. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your business more profitable. They take care of the heavy lifting so you can focus on growth. These are just a few of the AI tools out there that can completely change how you run your dropshipping business. The possibilities are endless. Trust me, we're just scratching the surface here. The future of e-commerce is bright, and with these tools, you'll be ready to shine. Chapter 3, your step-by-step guide to AI automation. So how do you actually integrate AI into your workflow? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1, product research. Use AI tools to identify trending products with high profit potential. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, giving you insights that would take hours to gather manually. Don't just guess, let the data guide you. AI can help you make data-driven decisions, ensuring you're always a step ahead of the competition. Next up, automate your listings. Platforms like AutoDS can automatically create and optimize your product listings across multiple platforms. This not only saves you time, but also ensures consistency and accuracy in your listings. Marketing automation is key. Use AI to create targeted ad campaigns and email sequences that actually convert. With AI, you can personalize your marketing efforts to reach the right audience at the right time. Customer service can be a huge time suck, but AI chatbots can handle a lot of the heavy lifting, answering questions and resolving issues 24/7. This ensures your customers always get timely responses. And finally, automate your order fulfillment process. This means finding the right suppliers and setting up automatic order processing and shipping. With AI, you can streamline your supply chain, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Chapter 4, level up your dropshipping game. So, are you ready to unlock the power of AI for your dropshipping business? I know it can seem like a lot to take in, but trust me, once you start automating these processes, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI-powered business strategies. And be sure to let me know in the comments what AI tools you're most excited to try out. I'm always down to talk shop and help you guys build the businesses of your dreams. So we've covered a lot of ground here, and honestly, we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do for e-commerce. It's like stepping into a whole new world of efficiency and automation. The key takeaway here? Don't sleep on AI. It's not just a buzzword, it's the future of how we do business online. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and build a dropshipping empire, you need to embrace the power of AI. And hey, if you're looking for more ways to optimize your business and stay on top of the latest tech trends, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. See you in the next one.